Have one of these ever been driven in the snow before?
There's snow tires on it now. Earlier today.
Yeah, but like actually in the snow?
No.
Okay. No big deal. Nothing to worry about.
It's a little dusty out here.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Is it your fault?
Yeah.
You did this?
I did this. Every time it's Santa time, you gotta add a little bit of snow to it.
I've always wanted one of these. Am I allowed to give myself gifts?
Yes.
This will go under Santa's tree?
The good thing is nobody here can catch you if you drive off with it.
Yeah, but everybody knows where I work.
Yeah. And then so once you start, I'm just going to walk across to the other side. When I get past, you can just kind of... Yeah.
Well, let's see how she burns, I guess.
Is that the plan? Nope. That's why I waited to see what would happen.
Does anybody have anything slippery? That thing hooks.
Yeah, with it.
I can pour some on the tires. It's gonna need something because that thing just literally bit quick.
And so we can try that one more time. If it doesn't work, just let it do what it does, and then we'll do some donuts and then head out.
Okay. Really wish it wasn't quite so dark out here.
A little bit.
This is a little terrifying. Ready?
Yep. Perfect.